You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city in Louisiana, United States. We'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places in the US, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. New Orleans. New Orleans, not New Orleans. New Orleans, it's how it's pronounced. It's named after a French city named Orléans. New Orleans, Louisiana. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.